I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today's June 2nd, Friday, 2023. Look at this massive ass candle, man. Crazy day. They did this all on the same day here. Super manipulation. We did call the option of buying up here, come up to that high from the week, which would have been the holiday. Then I outlined this gap right here. We needed a body to close up there, so I know we'd come here. And I unfortunately took the trade out after I was done here, and I was really glad. Really wish I didn't. Obviously, didn't think they'd, try to accomplish this all today. But I knew we'd have some bullishness here, right? And every time they try to save the price, it's this massive bullish candles. So I ended up taking this high here, Friday 19th, and then came up and took out all that liquidity. And look what I've been talking about since, man, check the review. I think I made this video May 4th, I believe. So maybe even May 3rd. I don't remember. I got to go back. But I've been talking about this all month, and started to look like it was never going to happen and we would come down lower. Now, I know we should be lower. I mean, look at this candle. I mean, last time you've seen a candle like this, over here, look at this. You might have seen that here and here. This is a massive candle right here too. But the point is that, again, didn't expect this to be happening today, but sure enough, it panned out. So hopefully I had some people catch this, but, let's go into a smaller time frame with a 4-hour. You'll see the manipulation here. Straight run for it. I mean, beautiful, unbelievable. And we opened up here, and I mean, you're not going to really see anything here, but price just turned around and went straight up, right? You can see all the liquidity. You can see where we're headed. I mean, is it obvious? You know what I'm saying, that we're headed here? That's why I've had this outlined for the whole month. This never came off my chart. So crazy day, amazing. I wish I did a couple things different. I dropped the ball here and there, but whatever, still was profitable today. But let's go straight into a 1 hour, and not really gonna tell here, but here was a big giveaway. Price retraced here at 8:30, got right into that 1 hour right there, and is in this block right here, and was a beautiful buy, which was the buy, the early buy. You had plenty of opportunities to jump in today, but it, thing just kept going up. Tried to catch it coming down a couple times. Got stopped out, but I was just shooting free shots. To me, it didn't matter. Had a great week, profitable. But let's go into a 15-minute and see if this can show a little more detail. Not that helpful here, not from what I was looking at. Right here, this was the 8:30, yeah. So 8:30 came down, came right into this block, sealed an imbalance. I had a drum, I don't know why I deleted it, but then took off. Let me go into a smaller time frame. I'm really just gonna go to a 1 minute, to be honest. I want to just go straight there. I could go to a 5, but this is how it happened. And I won't go into too much detail because I could talk a lot about this scenario. But so 8:30 happened, wasn't involved, and then price went up, came and retested that that gap here, and beautifully, actually this was a 10-second, sorry, tapped into a block beautifully right here, and sure enough tapped that block right there, which I deleted. and was beautiful right there. That was the signal right there. And then you can see price respecting this previous week gap right here. It's a gray area. You see that? That's not a coincidence. Look at the precision. Beautiful algorithm signatures. And I mean, the thing took off, man. When it took off here, because I was on a smaller time frame and I wasn't really focusing, I got out of this trade. Which is so stupid, but you know, hey, it happens. I learned from it. You know, too much potential on the top side with all those liquidity points that I've gotten drawn here. So price came up, and then I was like, oh, okay, cool. This is, you know, this is going to be the sell right here. I was going to try to take that back down underneath. Sure enough, ripped the rest of the day, kept going. Then we took out this liquidity here. Let me go to a 5. Because at this point, I don't even want to look at the charts. I might upset myself a little bit. But at the same time, we still made money. So I'm not, it's not that big of a deal. There's going to be plenty of days every day for the rest of your life. So that's how you got to look at it. But I'm going to squinch out. Can I squinch out? Yeah. You can see, I mean, we just ran the whole day. So we took out that high right there, which was pretty big. Let me go back to a 15. I know you saw this already, but actually I'm gonna go to a 5. Just want to show you something. Look at the way you could have caught every single ride up. I mean, every low respecting, every single 5-minute low respecting, all the way up, and now we're here. I mean, look at that. Look, amazing how high that is just in today. So, point of me saying all this is that it's like, where do we come from here? I mean, this is like crazy. We have oversold areas on everything damn near besides the daily. Let me go back to an hour real quick. You'll see that we're majorly oversold, and we were already up here, and I was trying to catch it. That's what I was trying to do here, because I was like, oh, it's oversold majorly, and I don't even really these RSIs, they're not really that important to me, but I do use them for that area, and I kind of was just married to some ideas that I got thrown off of when I'm the one that has been calling the market. And I don't really see anybody really doing this, but I was calling the market about coming up to this area forever. And then I kind of just got married to taking out lows, But I did know that we would come here at the least, because I know that we needed a body of a candle to be closed above this. So, but all this, I didn't expect that. Like, I would have expected that or I thought they would have saved that for the rate hike that they're going to bring. I believe that's June 14, but there's a lot of news around that time. So shit's going to get crazy, man. Because, I mean, look, obviously you got all this price imbalance. Let me just finish this video and be done, because I want to go do other things for sure. But, so look, went straight up, took out that high, and closed above that a gap. So I'm not even interested in that gap. We could revisit it. But right now we have this massive price imbalance right here. I mean, there's no way you can't see that. So if you've looked at any other day, I'm starting to look at this area right now kind of like this, or even this. Okay, so see how we came up right here, and then we kind of turned over. Well, now I'm expecting a day, like this or like this to be our next day, which will pop up in here and come out. Now, do they come and take out this high and all this? That's crazy. I think lower high, lower high, lower high, and some type of lower high here would make sense. But man, they had the nerve to bring the price all the way back up here, knowing where we sit in the economy is just complete manipulation. It really is. So I know we should be down here. All this movement that's been going on all this time, I know we should already be down here. So, but they're saving face. They're saving the price constantly. So will an influx after? I think they're going to have a debt ceiling approval tomorrow. I saw someone tweet that where it might be approved tomorrow, and now this would make sense to me. And I was saying yesterday, watch yesterday's video so it makes sense. But if anything was to get it right here in this area, then it was going to be a debt ceiling approved, and that's just the only way they can get this price back up here. And that's it. That's all I could say. What's my gut's telling me here. But if it, in a normal world, this should turn around after getting into this daily imbalance. And then for the low side, you obviously know what the low side would be. I got them delineated right here. And then, you got a big ass imbalance here. Let's just draw it. And I'm going to put the daily imbalance low there. And then as far as drawing a new one, I mean, I don't have to draw that. You see that, right? If we were to make a high, let's just say we go bullish. I mean, let's just say I know we're not, but let's just say we do. Well, your higher low would be expected at least here. No way that it wouldn't be. Okay, so this level right here, I'm going to, I guess, kind of like, I'm going to draw a line right through it. I'm going to change this color so it's not confusing. Something crazy like orange or something. And this is a level where, okay, higher low, right? Somewhere in vicinity and go up. All right. Let's just, because I said if you watch the last video, which I believe was the 31st, recapping the month, I said June was going to come up and then come down. Remember that? Go watch that video. And sure enough, this has got to be that movement. Now, I didn't expect this to all happen by the 2nd of June, but it did. So go watch that video. You'll see I was mentioning something like this. Go watch that video. I think I did it from here. And I was like, I want to see something like this. Something like that. I wanted to see something like this. And then I said, whoops. And then I said July would be sort of bullish again. Something like that. But that's kind of what I was saying. And sure enough, this looks like, but the thing is this can get a little ugly. Not to ramble here, but it can get a little ugly only because they could take their time with this. Like you see this price action right here, shot up. Like, are we looking for that? Or is it going to be something like this where we shot up and then we kind of play around for weeks? So I don't know, man, but this is where we're at. And I don't think I have anything else to say, so I'm really tired, but all right, so hope this helps. You guys take care. Until next week, have a good weekend. God bless.